Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this episode, you're going to learn about the third part of the manufacturing industries chapter in geography. What are you going to learn in this part? It's about the mineral based industry. So how many types of mineral based industries do we have and where all it is situated, and apart from this, how this mineral based industries provides economy for our nation. In connection with this alone, this video is going to teach you. So can we start now? Industries that use minerals and metals as raw materials are called mineral-based industries. The iron and steel industry is the basic industry since all the other industries, heavy, medium and light, depend on it for their machinery. Industry which use mineral or metal as raw material, also known as backbone of a country. Example, iron and steel, heavy engineering and electronic, etc. What makes it a basic or key industry or heavy industry? Heavy industry, raw material and finished products, both heavy and bulky. It carries high cost of transportation, maybe railway or waterway. It lays the foundation of other industry. Heavy, light, medium depend on it for raw material or machinery. It's a backbone for our GDP and economy, infrastructural development part, transportation, vehicles and automobiles. This industry is called as basic industry because it provides material to many other industries such as machine and tool transport equipment, construction material, etc. It is also called as heavy industry because raw materials iron ore, coal, limestone are bulky in nature. Most of the steel plants are located in Chota Nagpur region. The reasons are as follows: low cost of iron ore, high grade raw materials in proximity, cheap labor and vast growth potential in the home market. These are all the reasons why most of the steel plants are located in Chota Nagpur region. Today, steel industries in India are facing many problems. Here are the following problems faced by this industry: high cost of production, limited availability of coking coal, low productivity of labor, irregular supply of energy, raw materials are found only in a certain pocket of India, poor infrastructure like transportation and communication, etc. The second important industry which provides economy for our nation is aluminium smelting. It is the second most popular metallurgical industry in India. The raw material used is a bulky dark reddish rock known as bauxite. It is light, corrosion resistant and a good conductor of heat and is malleable. It becomes stronger when mixed with other metals. It is used to manufacture aircraft, utensils and wires. Major sources are located in Orissa, West Bengal, Kerala, UP, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Chemical industries. The chemical industry in India is fast growing and diversifying. It contributes approximately 3% of the GDP. It is the third largest in Asia and occupies the 12th place in the world in terms of its size. Here we have two important chemical industries which provides economy for our nation. One is fertilizer industry and the one is cement industry. Under fertilizer industry is centered around the production of nitrogenous fertilizers, mainly urea, phosphatic fertilizers and ammonium phosphate, and complex fertilizers which have a combination of nitrogen, phosphate and potash. The third, that is potash, is entirely imported as the country does not have any reserves of commercially usable potash or potassium compounds in any form. India is the third largest producer of nitrogenous fertilizers. There are 57 fertilizer units manufacturing nitrogenous and complex nitrogenous fertilizers, 29 of urea and 9 of producing ammonium sulfate as a byproduct, and 68 other small units produce single superphosphate. Next we are moving into cement industry. Cement is essential for construction activity such as building houses, factories, bridges, roads, airports, dams, and for other commercial establishments. This industry requires bulky and heavy raw materials like limestone, silica, alumina, and gypsum. Coal and electric power are needed apart from rail transportation. The first cement plant was set up in Chennai in 1904. Automobile industry. Automobiles provide vehicle for quick transport of goods, services and passengers. Trucks, buses, cars, motorcycles, scooters, three-wheelers and multi-utility vehicles are manufactured in India at various centers. After the liberalization, the coming in of new and contemporary models stimulated the demand for vehicles in the market, which led to the healthy growth of the industry, including passenger cars, two and three-wheelers. This industry had experienced a quantum jump in less than 15 years. Foreign direct investment brought in new technology and aligned the industry with global developments. At present, there are 15 manufacturers of passenger cars and multi-utility vehicles, 9 of commercial vehicles, 14 of the two and three-wheelers. The industry is located around Delhi, Gurgaon, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow, Indore, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur and Bengaluru. Last important industry, information technology and electronic industry. The electronics industry covers a wide range of products from transistor sets to television, telephones, cellular telecom, pagers, telephone exchange, radars, computers and many other equipments required by the telecommunication industry. Bangalore has emerged as the electronic capital of India. Other important centers for electronic goods are Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow and Coimbatore. By 2010 to 11, software technology parks of India have come up across 46 locations at different centers of India. However, the majority industry concentration is at Bangalore, Noida, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad and Pune. A major impact of this industry has been on employment generation. It is encouraging to know that 30% of the people employed in this sector are women. This industry has been a major foreign exchange earner in the last 2 or 3 years because of its fast growing business processing outsourcing, that is BPO sector. The continuing growth in the hardware and software is the key to the success of IT industry in India. So dear students, these are all the areas which you have to prepare under this mineral based industries. Hope this video would have given valuable information, and one more video yet to go to complete this chapter. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, give your likes and pass your comments. Don't forget to press the bell button for the future notification. Bye.